anything today that I ate that wasn't microwaved? The salad. You fucking donut. Of course you don't put fucking salad.
Then it wasn't heat.
Guys, I'm not.
We've received a lot of rain overnight. A lot of the canals around Jemison Park. Just slow down, buddy. Otherwise you go. Woo. Slow. Oh, fucking come on. Fucking you. Oh, excuse the language, but that's a smart ass if ever I've seen.
No! Oh, for God's sake. No, that was jokes. But my man was trying. He fully knew what he was doing. He was like, yeah, now it's stopping me, bro. You're getting wet today.